Привет, 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 привет! Welcome to my channel Russian Matryoshka. My name is Yana. Меня зовут Яна. And today I'm continuing the Russian alphabet series. For each letter, you will learn 10 most frequently used Russian words. And in this lesson, I will teach you Russian letter V. Russian letter V is based on the Greek letter beta. And you would be surprised to hear that because Latin letter B is also based on the Greek letter beta. And it makes sense. B and beta is the same sound, B. However, in modern Greek, this letter is called Vita. And the Cyrillic alphabet is based on the modern Greek. And that's why letter V is based on the Greek letter Vita. When Russian letter V is positioned in front of a deaf consonant or at the end of a word, it sounds like F. For example, вторник, when you listen to it, it doesn't sound like a sound V, but sound F. Вторник. Or when Russian letter V is at the end of the word, it also sounds like a Russian sound F. Кров. And in some words, this letter is skipped altogether. And a good example is the word здравствуйте. When you listen to me, you don't hear me say this Russian letter V inside this word здравствуйте. All right, and let's kick off our most frequently used Russian words that start with the letter V. The first one is the preposition V. We can use it in three different ways. When we talk about location, when we talk about direction, and when we talk about time. When we talk about location, it means in. When we talk about direction, it means to. When we talk about time, it means at. And I will use all three examples. For example, location. Я в своей комнате. I'm in my room. Direction. Я еду в Москву. I'm going to Moscow. Time. Я буду там в 10 часов. I will be there at 10 o'clock. So you have to remember three different scenarios. And in all those scenarios, instead of in, to, at, you can just use V. So it's a little bit easier than in English. Word number 2, весь, all. And I will go through all forms of this word. Весь is a masculine, вся is feminine, все is neutral gender, and все is plural. Я весь день сижу дома. Or я сижу дома весь день. I'm sitting in my house all day. Вся моя семья. My entire family. Neutral gender, все лето, all summer. Or все время, all the time. And plural, все люди, all people.
И солнце всходило, и радуга цвела. Все было, и любовь была.
Word number 3 is a pronoun вы. In Russian, it is ты for singular pronoun and вы for plural pronoun. So when you address just one person, it's ты. But when you address more than one person, it's вы. However, in 1722, Peter the Great created the rank table, and he demanded that if your rank was lower than the person you were addressing, now you have to use plural pronoun to address that person, even if it's just one person. So everybody had to use вы, or you had to pay a fine. There was some friction because people did not want to use this word. But now it's very common to address somebody with вы if you don't know the person, or if it's your professor at school. You would never use ты. Nowadays, вы, it is the rule, it is the norm.
Вы только вы.
Word number 4, вот. Вот. Here it is. Вот. Вот is a demonstrative particle that asserts the person or an object that is in plain sight. Вот. Here it is. It can also be used to express exclamation. For example, вот это да. It can be translated into English as wow. Вот это да. Wow. Or вот оно что. That's how it is. Вот оно что. That's how it is. And вот и все. Ну вот и все. That's all there is to it. Another good phrase for you to learn.
Ну вот и все, ну вот и все, ну вот и все, я ухожу из твоей жизни.
Word number 5 is время. Time. Время. And a good phrase to learn. Всему свое время. Everything has its time. Всему свое время.
Всему свое время, каждому свое.
Word number 6. Word number 6. Видеть. To see. And a good phrase to learn. Нам лучше не видеть друг друга. It's best that we don't see each other.
Я хочу тебя видеть.
Word number 7. Вода. Вода means water. And apparently English water, German Wasser, and Russian Вода, they're all related and based on the same root. Вода. And a good combination of words to learn is чистая вода, clean water.
Губит людей не пиво, губит людей вода. Губит людей не пиво, губит людей вода.
Word number 8 is второй, second. And you can use it in a sentence like это мой второй телефон. This is my second phone. Это мой второй телефон.
Вот первый вариант, второй вариант. Пожалуйста, будьте внимательны.
Word number 9. Ваш. Your or yours. Ваш дом, ваш телефон, ваш шанс.
Откройте двери, люди, я ваш брат.
And the last word of this lesson, word вдруг. All of a sudden. And I'm gonna use a bunch of Russian pop culture references here to help you learn this word.
Если друг оказался вдруг, и не друг, и не враг, а так. Счастье вдруг в тишине постучалось в двери.
All right. In this lesson, we learned preposition в, весь, вы, вот, время, видеть, вода, второй, ваш, вдруг. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. See you soon. Пока-пока-пока-пока.